Okay, so I'm using MLTV and I want to take you through all aspects of saving a recording and its limitations. So I'm going to start using some elements of MLTV and I'm going to record this session. So I'll start a recording and I'll write something in the chat and send. I have my document on the screen here. I can switch on my webcam momentarily. There you go. So I have my webcam, which I can switch off again. I can momentarily share my screen. So I'll share my other screen, which you can see my whiteboard here with pens that I can use on the whiteboard and so on. I can then turn off my screen sharing. I can use my whiteboard. So let's go in, use a pen and use my whiteboard tool. And that's it. So I've used lots of different tools here on MLTV. I'm now going to stop my recording. And I'm also going to end this MLTV session so that the recording is rendered and saved. To do that, I always say end meeting, and that makes sure that the system knows the meeting is finished and it's time to process that video. Okay, so some time has now passed. If I go to join my MLTV room, you'll see that that recording is there for me to play and to save. So if I was to click Save, what that does is it saves it to my class inside this folder, MLTV Recordings. And if I go in there, there's the recording and it's been tagged with the current time, the time that I saved it into here. If I click to play back this recording inside Fusion, it plays it back on the screen. And if I just zip through this video to various parts of the video, you'll be able to see that all the elements are there. So the live chat that I used appears on the right hand side. If I fast forward further, you can see that the webcam appears on the right hand side. Now you'll notice that this is not in the same place as when you were using these elements within MLTV. What MLTV has done is it has recorded all these different separate elements. So any annotations, webcams, chat, they've all been recorded separately. And when you play back your MLTV video, it synchronizes all those separate parts of the recording and puts them on the screen for you. The most important thing to note is that this video will only play back as long as those separate recordings are saved on the MLTV server. How long those recordings are saved depends on the package that you've paid for. And you can ask the support team at any time if you want to know what package you're using. It's not currently possible to download and save an MP4 video version of your MLTV recordings. It is possible to go to the full screen version of your video, but as you can see, that only shows one element of your video. So you can see that it is the webcam portion of MLTV that shows when you go full screen, and it is possible to download this and save it as a video file. But the type of file it is a WebM file. So this is not an MP4 video file. And if you play it back, it will only show the webcam video. Therefore, the recording and saving of videos on Fusion is time limited depending on the package that you have. You will only be able to play back your saved videos for as long as your recordings are saved. During that saved period, however, your students are free to come in at any time and re-watch that video. So I hope this video helps you to understand more fully the nature of the recordings that are used when you record using MLTV.